Right. Consequently, after going through all that evidence carefully, this court has reached the following conclusion. One, it rules that the confession made by accused number 1 was made freely and voluntarily, without any coercion, when accused number 1 was in his firm, sound, and sober senses. 2, the confession made by accused number 2 in respect of the said confession being taken by Mrs. Ronje, the magistrate, the court rules that it was made freely and voluntarily, without any coercion, when accused number 2 was in his full and sober senses.